results. This is roughly 7 grams. For simplicity, you will find a scoop with every DeLonghi machine. Tamping the coffee is recommended to produce an even, compact bed of coffee for brewing. Applying too little pressure will cause the coffee to be weak and under-extracted, and applying too much pressure may result in thick, burnt-tasting coffee, over-extracted. Use a pressure of between 10 and 15 kilograms for freshly ground coffee, or 15 to 20 kilograms for pre-ground packaged coffee. Use a scale to get an idea of how much pressure this is. Machines come with a tampering accessory or built-in press. Professional-style tampers can also be purchased. Remove any residual coffee grounds from the filter and filter holder rim before placing into the machine for brewing. This will eliminate the possibility of leakages, blocking, and dirt build-up. Tips for creating great hot milk and milk foam. It is best to use fresh, cold, semi-skimmed milk, about 1.5% fat. Once steam has been selected, purge the steam nozzle to eliminate any excess water before you start frothing the milk. When choosing a jug, bear in mind that the milk will double or triple in volume during aeration. The jug should be metal with a handle, and an ideal size is around 400 ml. You can identify whether you are frothing or texturing the milk correctly by the sound that it makes. A screeching sound could indicate that the steam nozzle is too deep in the jug, and a bubbling and spluttering sound could mean it's not deep enough. Ideally, you should hear a hissing sound when the steam nozzle is in the best position. The milk will be at its best when it reaches around 60 to 65 degrees. Usually when it becomes too hot to keep your hand on the bottom of the jug, it's ready. Once you have frothed the milk, tap the jug on the counter to remove any large air bubbles. Spin or swirl the milk to ensure the milk and foam combine a little and to give it a glossy finish. Pour the milk or foam immediately after spinning to ensure that the milk and foam do not separate. On some DeLonghi machines, there is an adjustable frother. Simply move it up for hot milk and down for milk foam. Some DeLonghi machines have a removable tray, allowing large glasses to be placed directly under the filter holder. This allows you to create a long black coffee, Americano, and long milk drinks such as a latte with ease. Always keep the frother clean to avoid poor performance and flavour. For more information about DeLonghi coffee machines, visit www.delonghi.com.